Find the mistakes. He don't likes to play football. He doesn't like to play football. I went to the market yesterday and buy some fruits. I went to the market yesterday and bought some fruits. He is more taller than his brother. He is taller than his brother. We doesn't has enough time to finish the project. We don't have enough time to finish the project. The dog wagged its tail when it saw me. The dog wagged its tail when it saw me. I'm looking forward to meet you tomorrow. I'm looking forward to meeting you tomorrow. Neither John or Mary are coming to the party. Neither John nor Mary is coming to the party. Each of the students have a textbook. Each of the students has a textbook. She has been knowing him for 10 years. She has known him for 10 years. If I was you, I would apologize. If I were you, I would apologize. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.